Why is Unix really so popular? There are many reasons, and even if you are able to find them, it will be difficult to quantify the extent of their influence. Instead, it will be more meaningful to understand the philosophy behind its conceptions and highlight the important aspects of the system. In other words, the Thomson and Ritchie, the success of Unix lies not so much in new inventions, but rather than in the full exploitation of a carefully selected set of fertile ideas, and especially in showing that they can be key to be the implementation of a small and yet powerful operating system. And the cell. The kernel is the core of the operating system, a collection of routine mostly written in C. It loaded into memory with the system is booted and communicates directly with the hardware. When you enter a command through the keyboard, the cell thoroughly examines the keyword input for special character. This examination is tough, and only when the examiner finds it suitable for the execution will com- uh, will the command will be executed. This agency is called the cell. No command can be executed unless it obtains the clearance of the cell. The cell, the command, and its associated arguments often modifies and simplifies into input before it forward it to another agencies which actually execute the command. The agency is called the kernel. Because the Unix permits use of complex command structure that can be understood by the kernel, the cell has to take on the role of interpreter to translate them into forms that the kernel can understood. You will see more of the kernel and cell. The kernel is the heart of a system, a collection of program mostly written in C that directly communicates with the hardware. There is only one kernel for any system. It is the part of the Unix system that is loaded into memory. When the system is booted, it manages the system resources, allocates time between user and process, decides process priorities, and perform all other tasks that you won't like to be bothered about. The kernel isolates itself from the user program, and these programs are independent of the hardware. They use it is easy to move them across different systems. The cell, on the other hand, it is the sleeping beauty of Unix. It's actually the interface between the user and the kernel that effectively insulates the user from knowledge of kernel function. The cell is the agency which takes care of the feature of redirection with the pipeline symbol and redirection symbol. It has a programming capability of its own. It can contain virtual anything text, objects, codes or directory structure. Unlike other operating system, you don't need to have a predefined structure of a file to work with it. However, application, especially database packages, use a certain structure for the data files, but Unix imposes no such restrictions. Spread field. The system features a host of tools that are meant to be used with such files. When you change a password, the information is stored in a text file /etc PASSWD. Then the system calls. Unix is written in C. There are a couple of hundreds commands handling specialized functions. They all do that by using a handful of functions called system calls. These calls are built into the kernel, and all libraries, functions and utilities are written using them. While there are several brands of Unix available in the world, they all have one thing in common. All use the same system calls. A user who wishes to write a file use the write system call without going into the detail of programming that achieves this write operation. This system call also use the same code to programming that achieve the write operation. This system call also use the same code to access denied the file. The open system calls used to open both a device and ordinary file. Question number 1. Observe the calendar for the year 1752. Do you notice anything unusual? Yes. 12 days were skipped in September for adjustment purpose. Question number second. How will you browse the above output moving forward and back as necessary? Then command is cal 1752 pipe more. After that, question number 3. Display the current date in the form ddmmyy. The command is like that shown in the PPT. Then can you change the system date with the date command? The date of the system can be changed by the super user only. Normally users are not able to change it. They are able to display the date but not able to change it. Question number 5. Beep sound. How do you use escape sequence in echo to do the same? The command is like for it that is shown in the PPT. Thank you.